Hi everyone, it's Yorga Chechi. Sit with me and let's talk about 5 steps to build confidence. So on my previous video, which is learning how to build confidence, shinare ko dun yung mga bagay na kailangan mong ma-realize to finally decide to build confidence. And right now, I will go to show you the steps or the actions that you need to do to build confidence. So first step, know who you are. Hindi ka magiging confident kung hindi mo kilala yung sarili mo. You need to examine yourself. You need to know what is your strength and your weaknesses, in what aspect of your life you are not confident, what is your comfort zone, ano yung mga bagay na hindi ka komportableng gawin, ano yung mga bagay na nakakapagpasaya sa'yo, ano yung mga bagay na interesado ka, at ano yung mga bagay na kailangan mo pang i-improve sa sarili mo. You need to list it down. It is important kasi mas madali para sa'yo na makapagbigay ng solution, makapag-set ng goals, at you can also use it as tracker para mas madali para sa'yo na makita yung changes sa sarili mo. Second step, practice positive self-talk. You need to motivate yourself. So kung nasanay ka na sinasabihan yung sarili mo na hindi ako maganda, hindi ako magaling, mahina ako, hindi ko kaya to, this is the time that you need to change the way you see yourself. So this is the time to accept and tell yourself that you are fearfully and wonderfully made by God. You are created on God's own image. So may sarili kang ganda, may sarili kang boses, may sarili kang capabilities, may sarili kang identity. Third step, take care of yourself, enhance yourself, work on yourself. So after mo malaman yung mga bagay na kailangan mo pang i-improve sa sarili mo, you need to make a solution. So for example, you are not confident on your own body. So you know that overeating is the cause of excess fat in our body. Then you need to discipline yourself. Kumain ka lang ng tama, yung sakto lang. And then move your body, work out. Kung hindi ka naman confident sa itsura mo, then you can search or think of the ways on how you will improve yourself. You can do skincare, you can watch makeup vlogs and practice makeup, or you can learn fashion, learn how to style yourself. Kung hindi ka naman confident sa pagsasalita, then practice yourself. Practice talking in front of the mirror. Number 4, make a bold move. So for example, wala kang confident dati na ipakita yung sarili mo, wala kang confidence sa sarili mo. Then try posting your selfies, your videos, diba? Nang hindi mo iniisip yung sasabihin ng ibang tao. If you don't have confidence to talk in front of many people, then you can try vlogging or documenting yourself. Kung sa school naman, kung dati tinatakbahan mo yung pag-report, then take the opportunity to report in front of your classmate or take the opportunity to recite and be the leader. Number 5, be consistent. So, lahat ng ginagawa mo, baliwala lahat yan kung sa una ka lang magaling. So, once you decided to finally step out of your comfort zone and do the things that you are not comfortable, once you have a new routines, new discipline, new habits, you need to be consistent para ma-reach mo yung goal mo. Always remember, consistency slowly removes fear. The more na-expose ka, the more na ginagawa mo yung isang bagay, the more na nasasana yung katawan mo at nasasana yung isip mo na gawin yung mga bagay na dati hindi ka komportableng gawin. And those are the 5 steps that you need to do to build confidence. So yun lang. I hope this video will reach the right people. God bless you guys and see you on the next video. Comment, share, and subscribe. You can also follow me on my different social medias. Bye-bye!